The FOMC meeting results have surprised traders. Jerome Powell said that the regulator would hardly cut the key interest rate in the foreseeable future. Although the Federal Reserve is planning to slacken the key interest rate hike, it will hardly stop raising it. Traders expected that early next year the Fed would stop the monetary policy tightening and cut the benchmark rate by the middle of the year. Against the backdrop, the US dollar continued gaining in value. The situation with the euro is also aggravated by the eurozone labor market condition. The unemployment rate may increase to 6.7% from 6.6%. Whereas in the US, the unemployment rate is at its 50-year low. The eurozone unemployment rate is considerably higher and goes on rising. Nevertheless, in the recent days, the greenback has noticeably increased and the market needs a local correction. However, there is no reason for that. Today, only the results of the Bank of England's meeting may lead to the US dollar depreciation. The fact is that the Bank of England raised the benchmark rate by 75 basis points to 3%. It's the most aggressive decision taken by the regulator since 1989. Now the key interest rate is at its highest level since the end of 2008. The Bank of England expressed concerns about the stably high inflation, which in September returned to a 40-year high amid a deteriorating economic outlook. Traders started selling off the pound sterling amid the comment that the Bank of England will hike the key interest rate less than expected earlier. What's more, yesterday Jerome Powell made the opposite announcement. He said that the benchmark rate would hit a higher level than anticipated. In this light, the US dollar advanced against the pound sterling. Thus, the pound-dollar pair slumped amid a new wave of speculative activity. Speculations are ignoring the oversold signal. That's why we see a full-scale downward inertial movement. Meanwhile, the euro-dollar pair showed high activity and broke the intermediate level of 0.9850. As a result, the pair closed the previous day at the level of 0.9815, which prolonged the current downward cycle that began in the middle of the previous week. At the beginning of the European session, the downward movement accelerated despite a clear oversold signal. This could be explained by an inertial movement. That's why speculators are ignoring most technical signals. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.